Namaste, hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do smoky eyes. Simple and easy to do smoky eyes. So let's start. I have already done my eyebrows, as you can see. Now I will start by applying a concealer around my eyes. First and foremost, like always, I'm going to start by applying concealer as my primer for my eyes. This is a concealer brush that I'm going to use to apply my concealer. I would like to go with my Beautyblender and blend it. Let's go slowly and carefully around. As always, I would like to go and set it with a setting powder. Maybelline CLASSIC setting powder. I'm using the James Charles palette. First, I'm going to use a transition shade, Mary. I'm going to use this shade and always will tap off the excess with the help of the same brush. I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to apply it here and all around it and blend it in the upward direction. And I'm gonna take this shade. The name of the shade is Beautyblender. I'm gonna take the smaller blending brush. So I'm gonna take that, tap off the excess as always. For this, I'm just gonna apply it on the crease here. I'm not gonna go over or under my crease. Okay. So I'm gonna blend it right over there. See the transition from the darker to lighter. I always like to go back with the same blending brush, the previous one, and blend it so that there is a smooth transition. And whatever is left on this brush, I'm gonna extend this one in this manner. Just make like a, like a triangle in the corner. And once you are done, let's take a Kajal eyeliner pencil. I take the cover and just press and lift it and then apply. Don't worry about getting it very perfect because we're gonna smudge it everywhere for the smoky eyes. So after that, I'm gonna take a flat brush. This one is by Real Technique. This one is by Morphe. I'm gonna take this one and see how it goes. In this palette, I have this very intense black. I'm gonna use the shade Spooky, here this one, and blend the liner that we just applied. I'm gonna use the other Morphe brush now. So I'm gonna dab this black color on my eyelid. And with the blending brush by Morphe, so I'm going to use that and blend it. Don't worry, you can always add more color and blend. I'm going to add more black and then again I'm going to blend the edges of this black. So in order to control it, just go very slowly and just add on more color as you go. So I'm slowly going higher up and slowly blending it. So always like to go back and see if it's blended properly. So you have to make sure it is very dark on the lash line and slowly fading and brown and light brown. Let's also again go back to the liner and apply it also on the lower lash line. So once you're done, using the same brush that we picked this black color, I'm gonna go back and apply it here. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take the same brown, the boutique shade, and just on the edges of black, I'm gonna blend it using that color and also connect it to the upper eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a small brush. I'm gonna use the shade Ring Light and take that and apply it in the inner corner of your eyes. I'm gonna use fluffy blush to do the same Ring Light shade on my brow bone to highlight. You can go and apply your liner, or you can just apply, finish it off by applying a mascara. I'm going to do my face and then come back. Now this is the completed look. I hope you liked it and I hope you will recreate it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.